If you got a PayPal account and you want to make $20 right now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $20 in your PayPal account. So welcome, my name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, just different ways, how I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you could crush it, and you can use my method where you can start to make money, either online or offline. This is indeed my YouTube channel, so make sure you like, subscribe if you're brand new. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, and share this with someone who you think that this video will help also. So I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and tons of different videos. So right over here, I just want to share with you, this is a mastermind that I attended, and I just wanted to show you this picture that in the background right here, these are entrepreneurs, and there are people that are want to look to change their life and do something better. There's business people in here. People already have offline businesses, but they want to move into the online space. Most people don't realize that when people have an offline business, they have so much overhead expenses, they have employees, they have all that type of stuff they have to deal with. So they're here, they want to learn how this make money online thing work. And if you want to learn how I do and how I'm able to travel, go to all these events, and also I get to speak to people at these events also, check out the first link in the description where you can sign up, and I can just send you the information right away. So if you're looking for a way to learn how to make money online, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. So once again, I'm going to be talking about make $20 right now, fast PayPal money. And the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called betatesting.com. So beta testing, they're a beta testing website, and they're looking for real people with real engagement so they could give data and they could give feedback to large companies. So for example, for Androids, you have iOS, you have websites, desktops, tech products, all this type of stuff. So they have over 150,000 real world testers. So they're looking for people everywhere, every platform, and every device. So to define your target audience, just like what I listed here, and recruit target participant easily. We source participants from our own tester community. So they have over, as I said, 150,000 testers. So they generate data and they get feedback. They improve the product with real world data and feedback. We make it happen, fully managed, design, and all that type of stuff. So who do they work with? They work with like large companies. I was just viewing the pricing, and I'm going to show you. For people that want to sign up for this, I'm not talking about you who's going to be doing data testing. I'm talking about huge companies, huge corporations. Professional, they're starting at $2,500. And the most popular one is 10 grand. So they're looking for a group of testers. Now, if you want to become a tester for them, it is absolutely free. You don't need any money to sign up. So you click on where it says join to become a tester, and I'm going to show you how it works. But before I do that, I'm going to show you a video that I've found that will give you some more explanation. And this is a real life tester. This is a real life user who's doing exactly what you're about to do. So watch this video, watch this example right now.
So it says that I'm supposed to go to story of my trades. I don't see that. Let's click this next button.
Very interesting. I don't like that it keeps pulling me out of that. It should let me be able to scroll up and read if I want to.
All right, so you see what's going on here. So these testers, they get specific websites, specific apps for them to test. And what you have to do, you have to go on there and you got to make sure that you do it correctly. Check out exactly what's the functionality. You're going to write them down on a piece of paper and you want to give your feedback. So let's continue.
Living, breathing ancient humans. over 40,000. Whoa, okay, it's moving a little too fast for me. I'm wanting to take it in. Looks like I can scroll up. That was kind of weird. I could scroll up, but then it scrolled me back down for a second. Okay.
So there you go. So right there, that was a website that they're testing, and they just want to make sure that the usability is great. All right, so let's check out this iOS app and shop in fashion.
So I'm using this app, and I have the most recent copy of Cosmo. And the idea here is to scan items and then find them to buy. So earlier when I was playing around with it, I was not able to get anything to scan, unfortunately. I did.
So as you can see, right, this is like easy job that you can do, easy task. So it doesn't require any super experience. You don't have to have any experience to sign up for this, right? So you can be a part of the great community, beta testers, and they're looking for people all over. So once you sign up, you're going to put your email address here. You're going to sign up. And the good thing is, how you're going to want to make sure that you stay on top of your game, and you want to make sure that you get jobs, or I should say different tests, because they're going to send the test via email. So you want, number one, you want to check your email. Number two, you want to get it done within 24 hours. So as soon as you get it done. Once you're so fast and you always get the job done, guess what? They're going to keep sending you more, because they're going to realize that this person is on their game. You're giving strong feedback and all that type of stuff. So how it works, you test new apps, websites, and hardware, just as I mentioned. Complete tasks, you give feedbacks, bug reports, all that type of stuff. So you can earn from $10 to $20 for most tests. That's right, $10 to $20 most tests. And as you can see, these are some of the big companies that this beta testing.com has worked with. They work with Xerox, Typeform, New York Times, Musical.ly. Everybody knows Musical.ly just came out. So that's what they're looking for. So frequently asked questions, these are some of the things. You got to be at least 18 years old. You must be able to speak and write fluently in English. That is a must. Must own a PC or a Mac or any device required for a specific test. So even if you got a phone, you can use it as well. But the more devices that you have, the better chance you will have of getting more tests, because they will send you and they will say, try this on your MacBook Pro, or try this on your PC, or try this on your phone or on your tablet. So that's how it works. So once you do that, you can come over here, you can click on the app section, and then you could see you have been invited to apply to participate in this test. Please review the details and submit your application below. So these are some of the information that they're looking for. So testing over a couple of days. You can test at a specific time, test that required coordination between multiple different parties. So they'll give you a test, and let's say every day at 8 o'clock, you gotta have to do this specific task, because they just wanna make sure that everything, some tests can even last for over a week, but every time you test, you're gonna get paid. So this test requires participation over a 1 week period to earn the reward. There may be multiple set tasks and feedback surveys distributed. So apply to test. This is one of the forms look like. You can click on Android, you click on Mac, whatever you got right there, you can fill it out. And then you have the information of like our beta testing service includes demographic targeting and optional screen survey for secondary testing. So what language do you speak? You got Spanish, you got French, you got German, Italian. So if you scroll through here, you just fill it out and then you go boom, and then you just click on it and then you could test it. So once you scroll down, let me click over here again. If you click on testing solutions, you got beta testing, usability testing, question and answer, bug testing. So let's click on user testing. So this right here, these are some of the questions. We recruit, target audience, choose demographic, requirements, and optional, create a screening survey. Get started fast, no code integration, subscription, and funny business. So you get a video or audio test. That's how it works. Once you scroll down here, you can get this video. You could click on it. There's some of the usability videos. There's written surveys. They do like raw data testing. So as I mentioned before, these are the pricing that the huge companies will pay some of these companies. Some of these companies will have to pay data testing to do this type of stuff. So do you support usability videos for Android and iOS? Yes, we support that. So how do you recruit testers? We recruit testers from beta testing community, over 150,000 people. So if you come on this website, you can basically just go through it and you can read up more about this. What can we test? And usability videos, how many tasks can we create, all that type of stuff. So any questions you may have, you could just come on here and you can get your questions answered right away. And if you have any question, feel free to just click over where it says contact. And then once you click on once you click on the contact section, you'll be ready to go. So it's super fun. It's super easy. That's all you got to do. So come on over here, betatesting.com. You can earn $20 right now, and you can get that money in, and then you could start to do whatever it is. But if you're looking for my number one recommendation, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Hope you enjoy that video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.